इस एक्टर की इतनी बुरी हालत हो गई कि खेती कर रहा है।
अरे बाप रे।
सडनली राबड़ी जी शी कॉल्ड मी, ए इधर आओ सुनो। आई वाज लाइक शी कॉलिंग मी,
हाउ स्वीट।
इधर आओ। आई सेड जी तुम कुसुम का भाई बनता है ना, तुम शशांक है ना?
ओके।
और ये वो जो शादी हो रही है वही तुम्हारी बीवी बनती है ना उसमें सीरियल में? मैंने कहा हाँ। So I thought that I'm fit.
Wow, superb.
Excuse me, madam, as you guys have worked so much and it is very difficult to ask you few questions about your whole journey. So I have prepared a set of questions जिससे हम लोग एक तरीके से आपकी जर्नी जान पाएंगे in short. Okay, first audition.
मेरा फर्स्ट ऑडिशन एक टी सीरीज की फिल्म के लिए था और इट वाज सो बैड. I was so nervous and I was trembling. I was literally trembling while the audition. And I came out of the audition and I understood that I'd done a very bad job. I went home and I cried and cried. मुझे ये भी नहीं पता था कि मेकअप किस चीज से निकलता है. And I was crying. I was howling.
Rajesh, you.
My first audition was for a serial called Agni Chakra, where I auditioned myself for inspector's character. And after auditioning, I just realized that I can be the best Iftikhar of the industry. Iftikhar जी बहुत सारे कमिश्नर का रोल करते थे, तो मुझे लगा था मेरी लाइफ सेट हो गई है.
Okay, first break.
मेरा फर्स्ट ब्रेक एक ABCL की मूवी थी. इट वाज अ फिल्म डायरेक्टेड बाय सचिन पिलगांवकर. मुकुल देव और मैं लीड्स में थे और मिस्टर जया बच्चन ने ये फिल्म प्रोड्यूस की थी. एंड जिंदगी का सबसे बड़ा सबसे पहला ब्रेक, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली वो फिल्म रिलीज नहीं हुई.
ओह अच्छा.
My first break was there was this show called Star Bestseller on Star Plus. So I did this one scene. My girlfriend that role was being played by Shweta Quatra, and उस वाले एपिसोड में राजेश्वरी सचदेव and Rajat Kapoor were the main leads.
Okay.
And so there was this one scene where I had a dialogue. Happy marriage anniversary, congratulations, यही रही आपकी टिकट. I took 22 takes for that. So
Quite a lot.
But I got $1,000 for that. I remember very well.
Good.
Okay, first rejection.
टी सीरीज की फिल्म रिजेक्शन, ऑन द स्पॉट रिजेक्शन था वो. एंड फिर वो मुझे एक्चुअली फिल्म का नाम भी याद नहीं था, बट आई सॉ दैट समबडी एल्स डिड द मूवी और मैं वो फिल्म देखने के बाद भी बहुत रोई.
मेरा फर्स्ट रिजेक्शन आया था. देयर वाज दिस शो फॉर सहारा, एक चैनल था एक जमाने में. So I won't name the person, but I auditioned for it and everything was approved from the channel also.
Okay.
But the director came on the, he saw me on the monitor or something like that, and then he said to the creative, why do you get these people who are working on Doordarshan? We don't need these kind of faces. And he rejected me then and there, and immediately after a month I got Sarabhai versus Sarabhai.
Wow. So it was a blessing in disguise, I would say. Okay, first piece. First paycheck.
फर्स्ट पेचेक मैंने ना जब मैं कॉलेज में थी तो मैं एक फैशन डिजाइनिंग का कोर्स किया था मैंने. तो उसके पैसे मिले थे कुछ, मतलब आई डिजाइन सम क्लोथ्स और उसका एग्जीबिशन लगा के मैंने मुझे पहले पैसे मिले थे. बट अदरवाइज इन द इंडस्ट्री ads was my first paycheck. So I done an ad. I think it was a Pond's ad. I was just about 18 और मैंने Pond's की ad की थी. उसका first paycheck 5,000 rupees मिला था.
My first check was I was in college and I was teaching tuition. तो मेरा वो that was way back in 95 में, तब मेरे को 4,500 रुपए मिले थे. तो वो फर्स्ट चेक था जिसमें मैंने अपने लिए बहुत सारे कपड़े खरीदे थे. उसके पहले मैं हॉस्टल में मुझे मतलब हॉस्टल में ही था, तो महीने में मुझे 1,500 रुपए मेरे पिताजी भेजते थे, तो वो 4,500 रुपए जब मैंने महीने में कमाया था, तो मैंने बहुत सारे कपड़े खरीदे थे। और मैं जब वापस पटना जा रहा था, तो भी स्लीपर क्लास में मैंने सूटकेस बांधा हुआ था उसके नीचे, अपना बर्थ के नीचे। तो सुबह जब उठा था तो वो सूटकेस गायब हो चुका था। तो आई एक्चुअली लैंडेड the clothes I was wearing. So I lost all those 4,500 rupees to some person.
Okay.
Who took it from the. I remember that.
That your first film.
First
film. First movie. Yeah.
I told you my first.
So my first movie was Super Nani.
राजेश, वो फील आपके कैलिबर के हिसाब से आपको फिल्म बहुत ज्यादा लेट मिली है?
फिल्म बहुत सारी बहुत लेट।
हाँ
नहीं, मैं I always believed in one thing, that it's always better to be a king in television rather than being beggar in the film.
I agree with you. I agree.
Yeah. Because this is the place I belong to. This is the place I get respect, I get work, and I get to perform myself.
Right.
Rather than, the whim of fancy of editing table, it disappoints you because you work so much and then nothing turns out.
So this is your comfortable space?
Very much, very much.
Mine too.
Okay, first co-star.
My first co-star was Mukul Dev.
Yeah.
And Sachin ji, Supriya ji. Sachin ji's wife, Supriya ji was my first co-star. Mukul Dev was my first co-star. And wonderful things I've learned from her. She's a fantastic actor. And Sachin ji and Supriya ji are like my godparents in this industry. I look up to them in terms of performance as people. I have learned a lot and got a lot of clarity in my life also.
Okay.
Mine, I told you, Shweta Quatra and Rajeshwari ji and Rajat ji.
First award-winning moment.
For me, it was Lapata Ganj. 5 years I was nominated, लेकिन award मिला नहीं अभी तक.
Mine was definitely for Sarabhai versus Sarabhai, ITA Awards, which I won twice. And once I won an award, critic award, for some role which, पता नहीं क्यों मिला था, वो आज तक नहीं समझ में आया मुझे.
How interesting.
चिंटू चिंकी और एक बड़ी सी लव स्टोरी में I got an award for comedy, which was like, I don't know why it happened, but it's there.
Okay, any character which got you the first fame when you felt ki, okay, now I am famous?
Definitely Lapata Ganj and Yamla Pagla Deewana 1. These two projects got me fame. They got me nominations also. For YPD 1, Yamla Pagla 1, I was nominated at the IFA Awards as the Best Supporting Actor.
Yeah.
And this I was nominated in the ITA and all the other television awards.
Rajesh, what about you?
It was very funny, in fact. I went for this Sahara's wedding, Subrata Roy's son's wedding, because my co-actor, she was getting married to one of the son.
Okay.
From Kusum serial.
Oh, okay.
Achha.
So I remember I just came out of the auditorium and I was in that VVIP lounge where all the celebrities were there and the politicians were there. And I was just standing, I was all alone at that time. So I saw Lalu Prasad Yadav and Rabdi Devi, because I also belong to Bihar. So,
yeah.
I had that, oh, acha, chalo, Bihar, So they were like
Bihari connection.
Card and everyone, and they were standing in between. And suddenly Rabdi ji, she called me. Hey, idhar aao, suno. I was like, is she calling me?
Oh, sweet.
So, idhar aao. I said, जी, तुम कुसुम का भाई बनता है ना, तुम शशांक है ना?
Okay.
और ये वो जो शादी हो रही है, वही तुम्हारी बीवी बनती है ना उसमें सीरियल में? मैंने कहा हाँ. So I thought that I'm fit.
Wow, superb.
Yeah, actually, quite a memorable one.
Yeah.
First compliment as an actor.
It was given to me by Reema ji, the late Reema Lagu ji, when she saw my movie, and I was doing a show with her also at that point of time, and
Okay.
that's when she used to call me. My name is Sucheta. She used to call me Sucha. She said,
Okay.
"Sucha, you've done a good job," and I was like, I was very happy.
I actually don't remember, but I think it was the first compliment. Yeah, because everything has some incidents, you know.
Yeah.
So I remember I was traveling back from Patna, you know. No. I'll tell you. Yes. अंधेरी मुंबई में अंधेरी ब्रिज के पास मेरी गाड़ी लगी and there was this old couple which came right next to my car and I was driving, so we exchanged a look and that was the I don't know what compliment क्या उसको क्या compliment बोलूं मैं. तो उन्होंने कांच नीचे करवाया. They were like good 65 plus people.
Okay.
And husband wife कांच नीचे करवा के सिर्फ अंकल ने इतना बोला सिग्नल पे कि बेटा महमूद के बाद कोई इंडस्ट्री में कॉमेडियन आया तो तुम आए हो. बहुत खुशी होती है तुम ऐसे देखकर. So I was like,
Amazing.
My God. Yeah, actually, it's a very big compliment.
yeah, so that was otherwise industry में तो खैर मतलब I think it's part and parcel, it's like it.
Okay, lastly, first news which made you shocked or surprisingly shocked.
About us?
Yeah, of course, about you guys.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं, ऐसा कुछ शॉकिंग कभी नहीं लगा मुझे. Let me think.
मेरे लिए सरप्राइजिंगली फनी एक न्यूज़ जरूर था. Because in 2017, when I decided that I will, jump into farming, agriculture, so for 5-6 months I was, I was in Patna.
Okay.
So Mumbai Mirror covered that story. They came down to Bihar and they were like, very impressed with that fact. We gave a media good coverage in the sense that Sunday Times में 2 page का article आया था, which was, the head. Goregaon to my gaon, that kind of stuff. So it mentioned that I've taken some time out from the acting and I'm working with the farmers and I'm doing agriculture. So the second social media, they picked up the same story and they said that Rajesh has quit acting and he's doing farming.
Okay.
The third social media, they did not know what to write, so they said कि इस एक्टर की इतनी बुरी हालत हो गई कि खेती कर रहा है.
अरे बाप रे.
Okay.
And that day that article came out, I was shooting for Student of the Year 2 in Mussoorie.
Achha.
So I said, where?
सुचेता, आपको याद आया कोई न्यूज आपसे रिलेटेड?
ऐसे कुछ कभी नहीं, ऐसा कुछ शॉकिंग कभी नहीं. या तो चीजें मुझे शॉक नहीं करती या तो
बट कोई आपसे रिलेटेड कोई ऐसी खबर जो आपको याद आती है जब आई थी आपको अच्छा लगा था?
I'll tell you about the recent one. Suddenly from somewhere, some journalist called me and she said that you and Naira have a cold war going on between. Yeah, so then I was shocked. I said Naira and me, मतलब मैं मिली उससे 3 बार. I said ना हम एक साथ shoot करते हैं. And whatever's been very cordial, I was very shocked at this thing actually. So तो उसका मैं थोड़ा सा like, what did this happen? But that is also not like a shock. If it means a shock to you, well, this is shock. So.
Thank you so much, guys. It was pleasure talking to you. I think हमने sum up किया थोड़ी बहुत आपकी journey इसमें.
Yes,
thank you, Nikki.
Yes,
it was wonderful talking to you.
Yeah, and good set of questions.
Yes.
Thank you so much.